Alright guys, now that we got our CPU fan installed, we are ready to install our RAM. So go ahead, there it is, our DDR2 800 RAM. Go ahead and unclip these things right here. These are your RAM banks. Go ahead and unclip those, and you'll know because they face out. Go ahead and grab your stick of RAM. Now you see on your stick of RAM you're going to have one little notch right there. This aligns with the notch in your motherboard. So turn it until it fits. Slide it right in. And you actually have to press down harder than you think on these things. They're pretty durable though, and you'll hear it when both of your clips snap in place. There we go. Then you know your RAM is tightly in. Grab your other one right here. Make sure your clips are open. And go ahead and push those in. And make sure you're pushing it in kind of even. There's one side. There we go. Alright, now once you installed those, you're ready to move on to your next component. So, I'll see you then.